Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a few tips to do if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on the SAMSUNG Galaxy A03. So when I have a problem in my headphones, I'm always starting from the simplest way, just restart the Bluetooth connection. Simply switch it off and switch it on again. Then look for your device on the list again. You can also try to restart your phone by holding the power button and choose restart. A little bit obvious, but sometimes it works. Okay, at the start you have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory have activated pair mode. How to do it, you will find the manual to your device maybe on your YouTube channel. In my case I have to click 3 times this button, sometimes you have to push the button for a few seconds. You have to check it by yourself. So if you're sure that your Bluetooth accessory have activated pair mode but it's still not visible for your phone, then go to the settings and slide down to the general management. Then look for the reset, tap on it and choose reset network settings. You can see the Bluetooth is included here, so just tap on the reset settings and tap on it again. Then look for the device again. After that you can also try to update your system, so go to the software update and choose download and install. If you have any update, just install it and look for the device again. And the last recommendation from me, check your Bluetooth accessory and your phone on other Bluetooth device to check which one making a problem here, which one is visible, which not. That's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe and a comment, and goodbye.